good morning. Today we are going to learn our science lesson number 4, nutrition in living organism. Now, food. Every day we eat food and it is our basic need. Okay, then tell me why we need the food. Okay, we need food for survival. Means what? All living things need food for their survival and it is our basic necessity. Now, see the balanced diet. Every day we eat lots of food stuff and it is very important from that food stuff we get that sufficient amount of nutrients, and when we get that sufficient amount of nutrients in our body from that food, that diet is nothing but that balanced diet. Let us see the definition of balanced diet. A diet containing adequate quantities of all nutrients is called balanced diet. Now see the definition carefully and learn it by heart. A diet containing adequate quantities of all nutrients is called balanced diet. Consumption of this diet makes our body healthy, wealthy and strong. When we eat that balanced diet, then what is the effect of that diet in our body? Our body healthy, wealthy and strong, and we all need this healthy, wealthy body. When we eat that different kinds of foodstuffs and we didn't get that sufficient amount of nutrients in our body, then we are malnourished. Malnourished means what? When all the nutrients that our body needs are not obtained in a proper proportion from the diet, that is nothing but malnutrition. In Marathi, what is the meaning of malnutrition? Kuposhan. Well balanced nutrition is very essential for all living things, and that well balanced nutrition we get from that balanced diet. Now let us see what is meant by nutrition. Nutrition, it is a life process which goes on continuously in all living things. It is a life process and it goes on continuously in all living things. Now see the definition of nutrition. The process of taking in and using food which takes place in living organism is called nutrition. I repeat again the definition. The process of taking in and using food which takes place in living organism is called nutrition. In nutrition, what happen? Taking in. Which things taking in? That foodstuffs taking in. And using food. And using food means what? If we intake the food, then afterward that digestion process is going on. And after that, those nutrients we want, that one converted into our blood and remaining waste products are thrown out from our body. That is nothing but nutrition. Then why nutrition is necessary for all living things? Let us see. To supply the energy required for doing work. Why it is necessary? To supply the energy of body for doing various kinds of works. Second one, for the growth and development of our body. Why nutrition is necessary for living things? For the growth and development of the body. Next point, to replace the damaged cells and repair tissues. To replace damaged cells and repair tissues means what? Sometimes what happen? We have that major wound, and at that time or sometimes accident will be happen. At that time what happen? That doctor tell to our parents that give them that sufficient nutrients food, and for that purpose our body is recovered properly. And the last point is to fight against different kinds of diseases. Thank you.